DLS to Binondo, Holy Week edition.
We're gonna be visiting the 7 churches just in time for visiting the iglesia.
Parang familiar like parang naman narinig.
Holy Week na pumapasok pa rin kami para maglakad, wala nang tao.
Walang tao sa Lasal, okay, tara na.
Let's go, let's go. Ba't parang hindi ko magana? Parang ayaw talaga. Parang may signal. Magpa-load nga muna tayo.
So,
Pusa counter guys.
shout out DLS si Pusa.
Sabi sa akin, ikaw pinakamahal.
Yung pang-pusa. Meron?
Smart 5G.
Smart.
TikToker kasi.
Grabe, 99 lang oh. Sulit man. 10 GB na oh.
Load na kami.
Load. Let's go! Kaya smart tayo eh. Okay na, let's go, let's go.
Maganda, parang lumalapit na
Green oh.
sa iyong mga mata.
That's Holy Week na tayo versus today. Philippians 4:13. I can do all this. We can give free strength. Nakasignal na ngayon guys. Signal counter 1. Ito na ako kay signal ko. If you guys want my plan, power all 149. So, University counter 1.
Lagi na
University counter 2.
Wala kang metro yun.
pwede pakisabi sa
This summer term break, may pupuntahan ka ba bro?
Parang may gusto ko puntahan eh. When was the last time ako punta ka Boracay?
Actually.
DLS ito Boracay next video guys.
akin.
Dahil Holy Week ngayon, Holy Week fact.
The start of Holy Week was actually because of the entry of Jesus and his disciples into Jerusalem on Palm Sunday. Alaman ko yung lakas ng signal ko. Look at that. Signal counter 2 guys.
University counter.
Halata na
Ano na museum counter?
gusto na kita.
Intramuros.
Yung first church natin, San Agustin Church. Signal counter, lakas. Buti lang nakuha ko yung only 5G. Okay guys, let's check it out.
Church counter 1.
Next church, let's go.
Church counter 2 guys.
Lakas pa rin ng signal, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Sa'yo, baka
Actually guys, yung benefits of 5G over 4G. Low latency gaming, future-proof AI, VR, streaming made smoother with 5G pa. So, solid talaga smart guys, you already know.
Kahit saan kami pumunta kanina, umaga ngayon, gabi na. Lakas ng signal.
Malakas pa rin. Counter. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Pwede mag-date.
pwedeng
Let's
ibigay
go.
sa'yo
Beyond the church, we're here. Church counter 3.
ang mundo.
Maganda sa nag-run bro.
Church counter. Church counter.
Ba't may upuan?
Dahil gusto.
Ito na yun guys.
Dito na tayo sa Santa Cruz Church. Church counter number 4.
Toilet counter guys.
Kami ang 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, for our last stop, which is Quiapo Church. Nariedo.
Kung makasama.
Welcome to Taiwan Night Market.
We're here. Ako tayo uwi.
May lakad ulit.
Church counter 6. Quiapo Church.
Natapos namin lahat guys. Maganda kami.
Morning to night. Woo! 5 bars pa rin. Let's go. Smart talaga. Let's go.
DLS you walk, Holy Week edition, done.
Worth it experience guys. Even though like medyo napagod pa rin, like ganda pa rin.
This is great, you know, this is the first time I've ever visited all 6 in one day. So,
Ang ganda ng mga churches guys.
Just in time for our Visita Iglesia.
I hope you guys are doing well this Holy Week. Don't forget to stay hydrated, stay safe.
Bye guys.